Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing 12 of the best ways to make money using just your phone in 2024. Yep, you heard that right. No laptops, no offices. If you've got a smartphone, Wi-Fi, and a bit of time, you're good to go. Let's dive right in. Fiverr is a marketplace where people can buy and sell various services, starting at just $5. From graphic design to voiceovers, from writing to programming, there's a service for everyone. Upwork, on the other hand, is a bit more formal, with clients posting jobs and freelancers bidding on them. The key to success on these platforms is to build a strong portfolio, provide excellent customer service, and deliver high-quality work. So, if you're looking to make some extra cash, or even start a full-time career, consider giving Fiverr and Upwork a try. Number 3. Online surveys and market research apps. First up, we have Swagbucks. This app allows you to earn points, called Swagbucks, by completing surveys, watching videos, or even shopping online. You can then redeem your Swagbucks for gift cards or cash. Next, we have Survey Junkie. This app pays you in cash for each survey you complete. The amount you earn depends on the length and complexity of the survey. Now, let's talk about Google Opinion Rewards. This app pays you in Google Play credit for completing surveys about your shopping habits. Finally, we have My Points. This app rewards you for shopping online, reading emails, and taking surveys. You can redeem your points for gift cards or cash. If you are a photography enthusiast, here are some fantastic apps that you can use to earn from your stunning photos and videos. First up, we have Shutterstock. This app allows you to upload your photos and videos and earn royalties every time someone uses them. You can earn up to $120 per image and $12 per video. Now, that's some serious cash. Next, we have Adobe Stock. This app is similar to Shutterstock, but it's a bit more exclusive. You can earn up to $50 per image and $100 per video. Lastly, we have iStock. This app offers a great opportunity to earn from your photos and videos. You can earn up to $20 per image and $10 per video. So, there you have it. These apps are a great way to monetize your photography skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep snapping and sharing your talent with the world. Next, dropshipping via mobile phone. First things first, you'll need to choose a reliable dropshipping app that's compatible with your mobile device. There are several options available, such as Oberlo, which is specifically designed for dropshipping. Once you've selected your app, it's time to start building your store. This is where the fun begins. You'll need to choose your products, create enticing descriptions, and upload high-quality images. Remember, the better your store looks, the more likely you are to attract customers. Next, it's time to market your store. Use social media, email marketing, and other strategies to get the word out. The more people you can reach, the more potential customers you'll have. Finally, it's time to sit back and watch the earnings roll in. Dropshipping via mobile phone can be a great way to earn some extra cash, and the potential earnings are definitely there. And there you have it. Ways you can start making money from your phone in 2024. Whether you're freelancing, investing, or selling digital products, there's something for everyone. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.